Welcome to ADV03, Data Mining. So what is data mining? The process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take the data-driven decision from huge of data sets. In other words, we can say that data mining is the process of investigating hidden patterns of information to various perspectives for categorization into useful data, which is collected and assembled in particular areas such as the data warehouses, efficient analysis, data mining algorithm, helping decision making and other data requirement to eventually cost cutting and generating revenue. Data mining is the act of automatically searching for large stores of information to find trends and patterns that go beyond simple analysis procedures. Data mining utilizes complex mathematical algorithms for data segments and evaluates the probability of future events. Data mining is also called knowledge discovery of data or KDD. Data mining is a process used by organizations to extract specific data from huge databases to solve business problems. It primarily turns raw data into useful information. Data mining is similar to data science carried out by a person in a specific situation on a particular data set with an objective. This process includes various types of services such as text mining, web mining, audio and video mining, pictorial data mining, and social media mining. It is done through software that is simple or highly specific. By outsourcing data mining, all the work can be done faster with low operation costs. Specialized firms can also use new technologies to collect data that is impossible to locate manually. There are tons of information available on various platforms, but very little knowledge is accessible. The biggest challenge is to analyze the data to extract important information that can be used to solve a problem or for company development. There are many powerful instruments and techniques available to mine data and find better insight from it. So what are the different types of data mining? So first, we have the relational database. A relational database is a collection of multiple data sets formally organized by tables, records, and columns from which data can be accessed in various ways without having to recognize the database tables. Tables convey and share information, which facilitates data searchability, reporting, and organization. Next, we have data warehouse or data warehouses. A data warehouse is the technology that collects the data from various sources within the organization to provide meaningful business insights. The huge amount of data comes from multiple places, such as marketing and finance. The extracted data is utilized for analytical purposes and helps in decision making for a business organization. The data warehouse is designed for analysis of data rather than transaction processing. We have the data repositories. The data repository generally refers to a destination for data storage. However, many IT professionals utilize the term more clearly to refer to a specific kind of setup within an IT structure. So for example, a group of databases where an organization has kept various kinds of information. Object relational database. It is a combination of an object-oriented database model and relational database model. It supports classes, objects, inheritance. One of the primary objectives of the object relational data model is to close the gap between the relational database and the object-oriented model practices frequently utilized in many programming languages. Like for example, we have the C++, the Java, the C Sharp, and many others. Transactional database. A transactional database refers to a database management system or DBMS that has the potential to undo a database transaction if it is not performed appropriately. Even though this was a unique capability, a very long while back today, most of the relational database systems support transactional database activities. So what are the different advantages of data mining? Okay, first, we have the data mining techniques enables organizations to obtain knowledge-based data. Data mining enables organizations to make lucrative modifications in operation and production. Compared with other statistical data applications, data mining is a cost-efficient. Data mining helps the decision-making process of the organization. It facilitates the automated discovery of hidden patterns, as well as prediction of trends and behaviors. It can be induced in the new system, as well as the existing platforms. It is a quick process that makes it easy for new users to analyze enormous amounts of data in a short time. Of course, if there are advantages, there's also what we call disadvantages of data mining. Okay, first, there is a probability that the organizations may sell useful data of customers to other organizations for money. As per the report, American Express has sold credit card purchases of their customers to other organizations. Many data mining analytics software is difficult to operate and needs advanced training to work on. Different data mining instruments operate in distinct ways due to the different algorithms used in their design. Therefore, the selection of the right data mining tool is a very challenging task. The data mining techniques are not precise, so that it may lead to severe consequences in certain conditions. So what are the different data mining applications? So we have many. So we're going to discuss this one by one. Data mining in healthcare. Analysts use data mining approaches such as machine learning, multidimensional databases, data visualization, soft computing, and statistics. Data mining can be used to forecast patients in each category. The procedures ensure that the patients get intensive care at the right place and at the right time. Data mining also enables healthcare insurers to recognize fraud and abuse. Next, we have data mining in market basket analysis. This technique may enable the retailer to understand the purchase behavior of a buyer. This data may assist the retailer in understanding the requirements of the buyer and altering the store's layout accordingly. Using a different analytical comparison of results between various stores, between customers in different demographic groups can be done. Data mining in education. EDM objectives are recognized as affirming students' future learning behavior, studying the impact of educational support, and promoting learning science. An organization can use data mining to make precise decisions and also to predict the results of the student. With the results, the institution can concentrate on what to teach and how to teach. Data mining in manufacturing engineering. Data mining can be used in system-level designing to obtain the relationships between product architecture, product portfolio, and data needs of the customers. It can also be used to forecast the product development period, cost, and expectations among the other tasks. Data mining in CRM, or customer relationship management. So to get a decent relationship with the customer, a business organization needs to collect data and analyze the data. With data mining technologies, the collected data can be used for analytics. So data mining in fraud detection. Data mining provides meaningful patterns and turns data into information. An ideal fraud detection system should protect the data of all the users. Supervised methods consist of a collection of sample records, and these records are classified as fraudulent or non-fraudulent. A model is constructed using this data, and the technique is made to identify whether the document is fraudulent or not. Data mining in lie detection. Law enforcement may use data mining techniques to investigate offenses, monitor suspected terrorist communications. This technique includes text mining also, and it seeks meaningful patterns in data, which is usually unstructured text. The information collected from the previous investigations is compared and a model for lie detection is constructed. Data mining, financial banking. The data mining technique can help bankers by solving business-related problems in banking and finance by identifying trends, casualties, and correlations in business information and market costs that are not instantly evident to managers or executive because the data volume is too large or are produced too rapidly on the screen by experts. The manager may find this data for better targeting, acquiring, retaining, segmenting, and maintain a profitable customer. So what are the different challenges of implementation in data mining? First, we have the incomplete and noisy data. We have the data distribution. We have the complex data. We have the performance. We have data privacy and security. And we have data visualization. Although data mining is very powerful, it faces many challenges during its execution. Various challenges could be related to performance, data, methods, and techniques. The process of data mining becomes effective when the challenges or problems are correctly recognized and adequately resolved. Okay, let's talk about first the incomplete and noisy data. Data in huge quantities will usually be inaccurate or unreliable. These problems may occur due to data measuring instrument or because of human errors. Suppose a retail chain collects phone numbers of customers who spend more than $500 and the accounting employees put the information into their system. The person may make a digit mistake when entering the phone number, which results in incorrect data. Even some customers may not be willing to disclose their phone numbers, which results in incomplete data. The data could get changed due to human or system error. All these consequences, or considered as noisy and incomplete data, makes data mining challenging. Data distribution. Practically, it is a quite tough task to make all the data to a centralized data repository, mainly due to the organizational and technical concerns. For example, various regional offices may have their servers to store their data. It is not feasible to store all the data from all the offices on a central server. Therefore, data mining requires the development of tools and algorithms that allow the mining of distributed data. Complex data. Managing these various types of data and extracting useful information is a tough task. Most of the time, new technologies, new tools, and methodologies would have to be refined to obtain specific information. Performance. If the designed algorithm and techniques are not up to the mark, then the efficiency of the data mining process will be affected adversely. Data privacy and security. For example, if a retailer analyzes the details of the purchased items, then it reveals data about buying habits and preferences of the customers without their permission. Data visualization. The extracted data should convey the exact meaning of what it intends to express. But many times, representing the information to the end user in a precise and easy way is difficult. The input data and the output information being complicated, very efficient, and successful data visualization processes needs to be implemented to make it successful.